welcome back to my chaos corner. Decided that I am tired of my cords being all over the place, and I don't like necessarily wrapping them like this. You know, it's kind, you can wrap it too tight and cause a break down here in your electric, and that can be a hazard. So it's better to have your cords wrapped up neatly and loosely so that you don't put undue pressure at the joints. So having it more like this would be a better idea. Okay, so I thought, well, I don't like those typical Velcro wraps that you can buy in a package. They're kind of boring, they're kind of ugly. I didn't want to do any sewing. I didn't want to pull out my sewing machine and set all that up and cut material. So I thought, well, I know the Dollar Tree has to have something that I can use. So I came up with a bling wrap. Look at that. And what I did was I took their floral diamond wrap in whatever color I wanted. I chose the gold because it matches the, kind of matches the yellow on my heat tool. I'm going to do, I was going to do blue for this heat gun, but or glue gun, I think I'll do blue for this glue gun, and instead this glue gun, I'll do it with the pinky purple stuff. I'm not big on pink and purple, but here lately I've actually been liking stuff I've seen in pink and purple. So what you do is you open up. Okay, wait. Let me finish telling you the supplies. The bling wrap, your item that you want to wrap the cord, and then some Velcro. You can either use the Velcro dots or the Velcro squares. I kind of like the Velcro squares because it gives a little bit longer thing to grip so you can adjust where it sits. And I already had one cut, but oh, there we go. Anyway, so a pair of scissors, hot glue gun, your diamond wrap, your Velcro, either dots or squares, either or. I'm going to stick with the squares because I like it being a little bit more adjustable than what a dot is. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to wrap up your cord like I had before. And then you're going to take your bling wrap. This is sizing it so that you know how much you need to cut. And you want a little bit of an overlap. Probably about a ½ inch or so, and then cut your bling wrap. So this is all that I'm going to need to use. You are going to need a hot glue gun that's plugged in and ready to rock and roll. Then what I did, there it is I folded this over so that it was already attached. Now this would be way too fat for this diamond wrap, so I cut it in half. So here is my cut in half one set together. I take off the paper on one side, and even though it's sticky, it's not sticky enough for my taste because this is going to get used a lot actually. So I put some hot glue. If you don't have hot glue or you don't want to work with hot glue, you can use that crazy glue that I said I like from the Dollar Tree. You can use your E6000 glue. You can use your 3-in-1 beacon glue. Any heavy-duty glue would do it. But I already had my hot glue gun out from another project. Oops. I wanted that over just a little bit more. Alright, see, you guys saw me. I didn't like how that was, so I pulled it off. I'm going to just reapply a little bit more hot glue so that I'm sure it's going to stick once I lay this down. And the hot glue will come up through the holes there, then that mesh. So make sure that you're careful that you don't hot glue yourself, burn yourself. Okay. Then I take off the backing off the other one. Now this is where it gets a little tricky because you need to kind of, let me bring this up so you can see it a little better. You want to put the other side on the top side. And you want just a little bit of an overlay. So I'm skipping one row of this diamond wrap. And I'm going to kind of aim for that second row. And again, because I don't feel like the stickiness that's on this, I'm going to put some more hot glue on. I'm going to roll that over, so I'm starting on my second set of bling wrap. Second row, sorry. Second row of the little diamonds. And glue it together. That is hot stuff. And of course, try not to burn yourself. Then, obviously, when you're pulling hot glue away while it's still hot, it strings up. So wait for it to cool down, and then you can peel off the hot glue off your fingers. You can peel it off, like get all the little strands off of your project. But that's a nice little easy, quick wire wrap that you can do so that your cords aren't all over the place. Okay, if you guys like this, please, please, please comment down below. I thrive on comments. If you like it, share it. And if you super duper like it, make sure you subscribe. That's that little gecko button you see at the end of my videos popping up. That little gecko is going to be my mascot, so to speak, for now. So push that little gecko button and subscribe. That way you can see all the crazy chaos that goes on at Pixie Dust and Chaos. Thanks, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.